Hello guys, how is doing? DBMFX again here. Today I'm looking to show you how to plug in indicators on an MT4 platform and how to save your templates for have no time wasting and loading up all your strategies and algos that you may be working on and see how they perform. So after that we're gonna have a look at how we can set the profiles as well to make sure it's all saved properly and there's gonna be no time wasting and prepping up how things are going. So without further ado, let's hit file, open data folder, MQL4 indicators, and then you pick a folder where you want to put your indicator. Make sure you have the indicator download beforehand, just copy paste it and boom, that's it. Then close the folder, close your MT4 platform, refresh the screen if you want. Then what we have to do is, let's see, we have download here, we have some trend indicators. So let's see, we put let's say we take Ichimoku. Okay, just for an example for our strategy, we're gonna pull up let's see, we're gonna have relative vigor index. Okay, let's see, we're gonna take a volume as well, so we're gonna put unbalanced volume. Perfect. So now, and let's see, we're gonna put as well the ATR just for the sake of
long or short. Doesn't even care. Gangster.
the best indicator in the world. So this is our strategy, this is our algorithm that we have saved. So in order to have all this pull up and save time for the next charts, we're gonna hit click right, templates, save template. So we're gonna name it. Mine, they are going by 1 2 3 4 A, so I think I'm on the 6th, so I'm gonna put, let's say, 7 A, save. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to different charts. So let's see, here I have different strategies. So let's see, I go template 7, boom, that's it. So now what we have to do is, after it's all this sorted, we're gonna go and have a look on, make sure you're gonna put all the strategies on all your charts. So make sure you have all the charts that you work on. You can load them all on your profile, and after have all that sorted, then you just plug in all the strategies that you have saved. So let's see, for the sake of this is the one that I made the video yesterday. Here is all the information, the way how it goes. If I'm happy with that, now I want to make sure that I have all this saved under a profile. So my profile here, I use the one as default. You can use the British pound, euro, whatever. I have only one because at the minute I'm working only on this, the no nonsense forex way. This is my structure at the minute, so I'm not looking to change anytime soon. But if you have any different one, you just, let's say you want to save it, so you go save as, name it, let's say project project 3. Okay, so you go again, files, profiles, project 3, boom. And then if you want to change, is loading up. My computer is going a bit slow here, having this 5 hours later, plenty of indicators on, it's always slowing down a bit the CPU, so it's just going a bit easy. You don't need to rush it too much. Right, come on. Okay, so now it's all loaded up. You can go and double check profiles. So we are on the project 3, and you can see actually that we were on the Euro USD. So this is all what you had on, and then basically this is it. If you want to change to different template, you can choose. I have on the 0 only that as plain, so whenever I need, I have a new chart. Actually, if you get a new chart on, it's gonna be like this. Let's see, Aussie USD is gonna be like this. So now you have to make sure you put the candles, zoom in. You have, let's see, you have to pull it back, you put in a daily chart and so, and then take the grid off, and you just click right, template, boom, 7. That is what you have, that's what you saved, and it's for every single one. Whenever they come up, is that what you got. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the button, the notification button, like it, share it. Thank you for watching. Happy trading, guys.